Hello Edmonton, Rob Jastrzebski
and Ankit Astir.
RJ Homes, eXp Realty here. Today we are happy to announce another new listing. This time we are in Southwest Edmonton in
Park Place Terwillegar.
South Terwillegar to be exact.
That's right.
And boy, have we got a treat for you today. Everything's got twos, including 2-bedroom,
2 washrooms,
2 parking stalls,
and a corner unit.
top floor, 4th floor corner unit, nobody above you. It's one of the biggest units in the building. Now let's go in and check it out.
Let's go.
We are in front of building number 2, 7343 South Terwillegar Drive. And conveniently located all around me here is tons of visitor parking, easy access to the underground parkade. And check it out. The corner unit right up there, 4th floor, right where the bicycle is, that's the unit itself. Let's go in and have a look. So of course, this is a newer building. So just like you would expect, all of the modern amenities that are available in here. Of course, we've got security, buzzer system. It's just a matter of calling up the number. There is no actual unit numbers in here. It's just a matter of finding out the name, punch it in, away you go. Of course, we've got key fob access, secure access into the lobby area. So, of course, easy access to the elevator. You're on the 4th floor. You're going to want to make sure you have the elevator available to you. Let's go upstairs. So here we are at the end of the hall, conveniently located next to the staircase. Unit number 402. Let's go inside. Okay, I know I say this all the time. First impressions are everything. And from my vantage viewpoint, I tell you, this is a beautiful home. And I'm seeing wide open spaces, huge kitchen. Take a look at this countertop. Massive amount of space. Stainless steel appliances, walk-in pantry, and I'm seeing an amazing space here for the living room. Plenty of space for all your guests. You've got a dining area. And take a look at those bedrooms.
All right, so there are 2 bedrooms. On my right is the primary bedroom, and on my left is the secondary bedroom. Let's do the primary first. Come on in. Look at that. So much space. This is a king-size bed. And look at the amount of space you get. You get 1, 2, 3 massive windows, plenty of sunlight in the home. And just right behind you, Mr. Cameraman, is the walk-in closet. Have a look. Not only that, we have the ensuite right here with a standing shower. How cool is that? Yeah, again, this condo has one theme: space. Look at all that space in the secondary bedroom, as well as closet space. Double door closet.
So look at this beautiful space. Not only do you have a very large, very spacious living room area, but you have this separate dining space. Just imagine you having a guest over for a game maybe it's time for dinner. What kind of dinner is it? Are you having a barbecue? Let's go check out this beautiful deck. Top floor, beautiful views out here. Come take a look. Here we are, right inside the heated, secure underground parkade. Come check this out. You gotta see this. Look how close we are. Literally the 2nd stall over from the garage door. Right here where this beautiful red car is. So, thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video all the way to the end. What did you think? Isn't this just a beautiful unit? Just imagine, top floor, all this space, and you get to pay yourself. Way better than renting. Not only that, you have the convenience of being right here in South Terwillegar, right across the street from all the shopping. There's convenient restaurants, parks, really easy access to the Anthony Henday. You really do have it all. Now, don't forget to share the video. You never know, this might be the perfect property for one of your friends.